While the monsoon fury in India continues, Himachal Pradesh is on an edge. Normal life has been disrupted as many as 259 roads have been blocked across the state that is due to landslides triggered by heavy rains. Let's put out the visuals that have surfaced. This is from Shimla, where many parts of the city witnessed not just waterlogging but also landslides. In some areas, trees were uprooted due to the rains, causing further inconvenience to the people. A similar situation unfolded in the scenic city of Dharamshala, which witnessed heavy rainfall. In the state's Lahaul and Spiti district, road connectivity was disrupted due to flooding in the Pin Valley. The Indian Meteorological Department has also predicted heavy rains and storms for the district of Mandi, Kangra and Chamba on Wednesday. While the human toll of the monsoons in Himachal Pradesh cannot be understated, according to the state government, 157 people have died in monsoon-related incidents. This is from 30th of June till 9th of August, whereas 257 others have been injured in rain-related incidents. As of now, 259 roads in the state remain blocked. 3 national highways, including the Manali Highway, have been disrupted, thereby cutting roads connectivity between Mandi and Kullu. More than 880 structures, including houses, shops and cattle sheds, have been damaged. And that is not all. Power supply has been significantly impacted, with 66 transformers going out of service. As far as the financial loss is concerned, the state government is already pegging it at 886 crore rupees. Now, the situation is also dire in Assam. According to the latest data, the death toll in the state due to floods has risen to 101. More than 1,26,000 people remain affected across 10 districts. Flooding in Gilapil River affected areas such as Dergaon, causing damage to farms and fisheries. Over 4,600 houses across Assam have been damaged due to heavy rains. In fact, at present, more than 2,000 relief distribution centers are operational across the state to ensure that continued support reaches flood-affected areas.